So you reverse until there's a small space at the back. Bam bam. So watch out for the ball behind. It will represent the car. Then you lock your steering wheel to the right side. You go until the car is straight. Okay. Then you reverse back. Straighten the wheel. 1, 2, 1, 2. Straighten the wheel first. Then you reverse until the first pole is aligned to your shoulder. The very first pole. Then you lock it on that side until the car is straight. Lock it on the left. You go forward until the car is straight facing that side. Is the car straight? If you straighten the wheel, then you go forward until, move a bit forward. Okay, we can start.